I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin now. Confirm the tire's cold PSI printed on the sidewall and decide your target. Remove the valve cap and inspect the stem for debris or damage. Position the compressor within reach, plug in or confirm fuel, and check oil or charge level so it's ready. Set the regulator slightly below target to avoid overshoot and attach an inline gauge if available. Once done, hold the hose steady and prepare to make the first short fill pulse while watching pressure rise. You attach the chuck firmly to the valve and lock it so there's no leakage. An insecure connection wastes time and gives false readings. Open the compressor briefly in 5 to 10 second bursts because continuous flow heats the tire and the compressor. Paused bursts let pressure stabilize for accurate readings. After each burst, close the hose and read the gauge to check progress. Adjust the regulator or duration if you approach the target. Make sure to monitor compressor temperature and let it cool if it gets hot. You finish by removing the chuck smoothly and immediately replacing the valve cap to keep dirt out and prevent slow leaks. Do not over-tighten. Once done, drive a short distance of 2 to 3 miles to seat the tire beads and let temperature normalize, then recheck the PSI and adjust if needed. If you notice a rapid pressure loss, inspect the valve core, reconnect and listen for leaks at the stem or hose, and verify the compressor fittings. Replace a faulty core or use soapy water to locate a hidden leak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.